welcome to Toasted Creations. My name is Andrea and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make sugar scrubs. Cubes that I found the recipe on Brambleberry. I'm going to only make one adjustment. She doesn't add polysorbate 80 to her mix, and for me these are going to be used for me, and I like the way the polysorbate 80 mixes the oils with water when you use it on the skin. So for the recipe we're going to use 2 ounces of melt and pour soap. We're going to use goat's milk melt and pour, 6 ounces of sugar. She said any lightweight oil. What I have is sunflower, so we're going to use 2 ounces of sunflower oil that I will measure out in a moment. Set this down so it don't fall down. And we're going to use, my fragrance I'm going to use today is lavender essential oil. And the color I'm going to use today is Purple Cabbage by the Decor Room. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is melt down all our oils, melt the fragrance oil, the melt and pour soap, the oils, and the coloring together. So we're going to trade bowls. Use this one to melt everything down. I already pre-measured my soap, so I'm going to measure out. I actually have a scale. Turn it on. And we're going to measure out the 2 ounces of sunflower oil. Put that on there. Tear it out. And that will pour. Of sunflower oil. Now we're going to measure out 2 milliliters of my lavender oil. Now I'm going to measure out the polysorbate 80. I'm going to use 5 milliliters of polysorbate 80 for the sunflower oil. And here is the sunflower oil. Okay, set that aside. And we're going to put a few drops of the colorant. beautiful purple color. But I'd like it to be just a shade darker. I believe I'm done with the scale, so I'm gonna move that before I get it all messy and oily and dirty. Okay, there we go. There we go. I like that purple. Now I'm going to add my melt and pour in, and then I'm going to melt it for 30 seconds to 35 seconds until it's melted but not boiling. Alright, see, it's melted but not boiling. We're going to mix them together. Incorporate them, and then we're going to add it to the sugar. That looks well incorporated. So I'm going to add the sugar now. You're going to stir this quickly and blend it well. Then you're going to put it in your mold, like it did in the video for Brambleberry. It thickened up. Alright, so I'm going to stick this in the microwave to thin it out so I can make it pourable. That's better. Now I can pour Okay, now I'm going to let these set, now that I got them in the molds that I want, for 4 to 6 hours, and I'll come back and I'll mold them, and I'll put them in these jars to store until I'm ready to use them. Alright, I am back after 4 hours. I'm going to unwrap this, pop these out of their molds. I'm going to show you a test in some water I have sitting over here. See, they came out nicely out of the mold, and now I have nice sized sugar cubes that I'm going to put into these jars. Yep, it only fits 2 at a time. And I'll use these as gifts, and I will find another way to package these, and if anyone's interested, I'll sell them on Etsy. One, two. I'm going to keep one of these. Keep one of these and keep it for myself to use in the showers to wash my face. As you can see, it foams up a little bit. I can feel the sugar exfoliating my skin. More like a good exfoliating soap than it is a sugar cube. And it's moisturizing. And it rinses off nicely without leaving a oily film on my hands. It looks nice. My hands feel soft and moisturized. This I think I'm going to use more for a hand soap than I am a face soap. I'll look into a different sugar scrub recipe. I wanted to try the sugar cubes and see what they were like. I like these for hands and body wash, but I'm going to look into a different sugar scrub for my face. And until next time, have a great day.